The ocean depths have always held a certain mystique for humankind. The vast dark expanse below the surface teems with life, much of it still unknown and unimagined. Among these, the Leviathan stands out, a creature of immense size and power, often depicted as a serpentine or whale-like beast capable of swallowing ships whole. While the Leviathan of myth may be a product of our imagination, it symbolizes the ocean's untamed nature. But what if the Leviathan, or a creature like it, actually existed? What if, hidden in the fossil record, lie clues to an ancient apex predator that once ruled the oceans? This essay delves into the captivating realm of the Leviathan, exploring its existence through paleontology, marine biology, and evolutionary history. The Leviathan, as depicted in ancient texts and mythology, often takes on a more symbolic meaning, representing chaos, power, and the untamed forces of nature. In the Bible, the Leviathan is described as a fearsome sea monster, unconquerable and awe-inspiring. Similar creatures appear in the myths and legends of other cultures, each with its own unique characteristics and symbolism. While these accounts are influenced by imagination, they may also contain kernels of truth, inspired by real encounters with large marine animals. Sailors throughout history have reported sightings of giant squid, colossal squid, and even large whales, their tales often embellished with each retelling. Scientists and paleontologists, however, rely on a different kind of storytelling, the story etched in the fossil record. By studying the fossilized remains of ancient marine reptiles, such as ichthyosaurs, plesiosaurs, and mosasaurs, we can begin to piece together a picture of the incredible creatures that once ruled the seas. To truly understand the Leviathan, we must delve into the realm of anatomy, examining the physical characteristics that would have allowed such a creature to thrive in the ancient oceans. One possibility is that the Leviathan was a type of giant ichthyosaur. These marine reptiles, resembling dolphins in their overall shape, were perfectly adapted for life in the water. They possessed streamlined bodies, powerful tails, and large eyes for hunting in deep water. Some ichthyosaurs, like Shonosaurus, grew to enormous sizes, reaching lengths of over 65 feet. Another possibility is that the Leviathan belonged to the plesiosaur group. These reptiles, characterized by their long necks and paddle-like limbs, came in a variety of shapes and sizes. The fossil record is incomplete, and it's likely that many species of ancient marine life have yet to be discovered. The existence of a creature like the Leviathan would have had a profound impact on the ancient oceans, shaping the ecosystems and influencing the evolution of other marine life. As an apex predator, the Leviathan would have sat at the top of the food chain, regulating populations of prey animals and influencing the behavior of other creatures in its environment. Imagine a Leviathan, an enormous pliosaur with a massive head and powerful jaws, patrolling the depths. Its very presence would have sent shockwaves through the ecosystem. Schools of fish would scatter, and other marine reptiles would be wary of venturing too close to the Leviathan's hunting grounds. By preying on large fish and other marine reptiles, the Leviathan would have kept their populations in check, preventing any one species from dominating the ecosystem. This, in turn, would have allowed other species to thrive, promoting biodiversity in the ancient oceans. The Leviathan's influence may have extended beyond its role as a predator, affecting nutrient distribution in the ocean. The reign of the Leviathan, like all creatures, would have eventually come to an end. While the exact causes of extinction for many ancient marine reptiles remain a topic of debate among scientists, several factors likely contributed to their demise. One possibility is a catastrophic event, such as an asteroid impact or a period of intense volcanic activity. These events could have triggered widespread environmental changes, including ocean acidification, sea level fluctuations, and climate change. Another possibility is a gradual decline due to a combination of factors, such as competition for resources, habitat loss, and changes in sea temperature or currents. As the Earth's climate changed over millions of years, the oceans underwent significant transformations. The once thriving ecosystems that supported the Leviathan may have become less hospitable, leading to a decline in their populations. The extinction of the Leviathan would have had a significant impact on the marine ecosystem, creating a void at the top of the food chain. While the Leviathan, in its colossal and perhaps mythical form, may be long gone, Its legacy lives on in the depths of our oceans. The creatures that inhabit our seas today are the inheritors of a legacy shaped by millions of years of evolution, a story in which the Leviathan played a significant role. The extinction of the Leviathan and other large marine reptiles paved the way for the rise of new apex predators, such as sharks and whales. These animals evolved and adapted to fill the ecological niches left vacant by their predecessors. The Leviathan's influence can also be seen in the defensive mechanisms and behaviors of modern marine animals. The streamlined bodies of dolphins and tuna, the camouflage of octopuses and cuttlefish, and the schooling behavior of many fish species can all be seen as adaptations that may have evolved, in part as a response to predation pressure from creatures like the Leviathan. The story of the Leviathan, whether rooted in myth or reality, serves as a potent reminder of the incredible diversity of life that has existed on our planet and the powerful forces that have shaped the course of evolution. It highlights the interconnectedness of all living things and the delicate balance that governs our ecosystems. As we grapple with the challenges of climate change, habitat destruction, and the ongoing biodiversity crisis, it is essential to remember that we are not separate from the natural world, but rather an integral part of it. The fate of the Leviathan serves as a cautionary tale. By understanding the complex interplay between life and the environment, we can better appreciate the delicate balance that sustains us and work towards a future where both humanity and the natural world can thrive. The Leviathan, though gone, continues to whisper its ancient wisdom from the depths, urging us to listen, learn, and protect the irreplaceable web of life that connects us all.